Why it take you 4 years to have an appeal memorandum and a deed assignment submitted to COA? Eh, sinasabi niyo 2014 pa. Di ba?
Pero nag-base lang po yung aking knowledge sa based on my documents.
Hindi na, ay yung back, do you confirm? Yung back, di ba, do you confirm? You're under oath. Do you confirm? That, ano po? You made an appeal memorandum and the deed of assignment submitted to COA 2018. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yun yung sinasabi ko, Special Secretary, kinonfirm na lang back. It takes you 4 years to inform COA na may deed of assignment na. Why? Oh, why? Since the fraud audit was already conducted, 2014 pa. Eh, ano ko nga dyan, baka inantidate nyo. And that falsification.
Since ako po sa SB, hindi ko po alam yung sa executive na naging action.
Hindi nga, ang sinasabi ko lang, on record, that was confirmed by your back, that was 2018, the deed of assignment was submitted to COA, but the fraud audit happens 2014. And the deed of assignment dated 2014. It takes you 4 years para i-submit yun sa COA.
Are you telling us that alam nyo na nag-fraud audit at yet hindi nyo binigay ang COA ng deed of assignment? Is that what you're telling us?
Yung pong pangyayari, hindi ko po yun kuwan. Pero before the audit, there is already a...
I know you said that 2014 you have already issued the deed of assignment and yet they have already conducted the fraud audit for the, how many years, Madam COA? Have you, before you have resolved, before you have issued the fraud audit report, how many years have you conducted that?
Kaya nga po titingnan sa record. Kasi baka
Hindi
po
nga
namin alam.
Ay, ito, SP, huwag kang palusot. Pinapasabit ko nga kay Back dito yung dokumento. Kasi coming from his mouth, that it was 2018. The date that was received by COA. 4 years after. Di ba? COA. Tama? Back, tama? Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Kaya lang, baka nun lang namin na-discover na hindi nakasubmit nung padalhan kami ng fraud audit team na.
Ay, hindi palusot daw. Sabihin pa natin, is it correct? Is it correct and proper? And that will be a reason? Oh, Sec, SP Secretary, gusto mo ba mag-comment doon? Inabutan mo na ba to?
Good morning po again. Actually, hindi ko po inabutan, pero during my term as SB Secretary, yung lahat ng findings po ng COA ay nagkaroon na ng correction. And we have issued a resolution dated April 28, 2021, amending the contract, and the proponent actually paid those undervalued.
Kailan po yun?
2021 po. Nung settle ng Adventureland. Actually, from Comnet, na-transfer po ang right to Adventureland, and then binayaran po lahat ng Adventureland yung pagkukulang o yung lahat na naging findings ng COA. So, from 320 per year...
Sandali. So, from Comnet, inilipat, ano yon? Binili?
May deed of assignment po.
Deed of assignment?
Yes po.
In favor of anong company?
Adventureland po.
Sino yung may-ari nun?
Parang same din po yung may-ari nun.
Di same lang? O di kalukuhan?
Dati po ang may-ari ay si Mr. Benedicto Bulataw. And then napalipat po kay Attorney Adorleto Hinete ng Adventureland. So, yun
pero
po
yung
yung-
mga incorporators ng Adventureland at saka Comnet, sino-sino yung sa Comnet, sino-sino yung sa Adventureland?
Hindi ko lang po alam yung kanilang incorporator. Pero yung magkaiba pong pangalan yon. Yung ibinigay
Ay, boss, magkaibang pangalan.
magkaiba rin po ang mga tao. Based doon sa binigay po sa...
Sec, nandito naman yung Sec eh. Sec, kindly check and submit to this committee, to the committee secretary.
Sir, lipat.
Yes, Your Honor, we will do that. I will request in the office with regards to the documents of
Pakiasap lang po, Sec, no? Kasi para malaman natin yung Comnet at saka yung ano yung isa?
adventure.
Adventureland po.
We will do that, Your Honor.
Anong Adventureland is based in Bawal?
Sa Santo Tomas, Batangas po.
Yes, Your Honor. Adventureland and Comnet, Your Honor. We will request that, Your Honor.
Your Honor, actually yung deed of assignment po ay na notarized noong February 12, 2014.
Sorry? 2014?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano yung February 2021?
Yun po yung authority na ibinigay ng Sangguniang Bayan para ma-amend yung kontrata po.
Amendments dun sa contract. Pero ang deed of assignment was,
February 12, 2014.
tama po ba yun, Koa?
7 years later. I have no record of that.
I have, what was that again? What particular document was he
Deed
referring
of
to?
assignment
Your
that
Honor?
was issued 2014.
Okay. This is after the conduct of fraud audit, Your Honor. So that information was not in the report because that was their compliance on the recommendations in the report. So it's not if they have that statement, then we need to validate it first, Your Honor.
Hindi daw naisama sa report yun? SB Secretary?
Yes po. Actually, yung completion po nung after the findings na po. Kaya po nag-correct sila para masettle na yung findings ng COA.
But of course, you should have submitted that, correction.
Yes po, we have
To COA.
submitted it to Director Estela Mercado, Director 4, Fraud Audit Office, Commission on Audit, Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City, last January 14, 2024.
Pero, ba't 2014 din, 2020, ang layo nun, 7 years.
25.
How you explain that?
Actually, after ng findings, sinettle po, then
Hindi nga ang tinatanong ko nga, that was 2014 yung deed of assignment. Pero after 7 years pa. Ma'am, once again, when was the fraud audit conducted?
2017, Your Honor.
2017?
Yes.
Yung UM at
The
saka
fraud audit report was dated 2017.
2017?
2017.
So 3 years after that deed of assignment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tapos after 2014, 7 years after 2021, saka nyo kayo nag-acto.
Mr. Chair, pwede lang sumingit po ng isa?
Please proceed.
Ma'am Chona, may tanong lang po. Based sa original lease, transferable ba yung leasehold right nung Comnet to Adventureland?
Actually, Your Honor, based on the original contract of lease, it was between the municipality of Bawan and Comnet. However, when there were documents that were submitted, for example, one of the condition in the contract of lease is there must be the proponent must have an investment. When they submitted those documents of the proponent wherein it indicated the investment that they would want to pursue, that document was made by Adventureland, not from Comnet. So that's why it was part of the findings in the fraud audit report why the investment proposal of Comnet was prepared by Adventureland. Now that finding is included in the report, and this was only answered by the municipality when the fraud audit office received their compliance on the recommendation, which was dated, their compliance was dated January 14, 2024, at 2025, January 2025, which the fraud audit office received on January 27, 2025.
So, ma'am, if the contract doesn't provide that, then Comnet cannot sublease.
Based on the statement of the
Secretary.
Yes, of the Secretary, because of that findings of the Commission on Audit, I think they authorized to maybe to cure that defect. They authorized the Sangguniang, authorized the mayor to enter into an assignment with they revised the contract of lease. They revised the contract of lease, saying that the contract of lease is now between Municipality of Bawan and Adventureland, and requiring Comnet to transfer the rights and execute a deed of assignment in favor of Adventureland. So they now cured the defect that the fraud audit found. So meaning because of that findings, the proposal was made by Adventureland, there is now an issue as to who really was the parties involved in the contract of lease. Now, as it appears from the records, the municipality, to cure that defect, required Comnet to transfer its rights on the contract of lease to Adventureland, and now allowing the mayor, the Sangguniang, authorizing the mayor to enter to revise or amend the contract now between if the Sangguniang councilor or the secretary of the Bawan could correct me if I am wrong. So they authorized the mayor to enter again into an amended contract of lease now between the Municipality of Bawan and the Adventureland.
Mr. Chair, if I may interject with the indulgence of Congresswoman
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So what would be the position of COA? Say, for example, if there are curative measures that was done by the municipality, I think, if you ask me, the legal basis for the lease agreement would still be the original contract, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, no matter what curative measures the SB or the municipality would do, still you would go back as far as the auditing processes is concerned. You would still use your basis to audit that on the original lease agreement. Would that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Since the contract entered into was between the Municipality of Bawan and Comnet.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
So, sorry, Mr. Chair, I love you. Pero, let's assume the contract is, the curative measure is legal. Ang tanong ko, Mr. Secretary, nagbidding ba ulit?
Hello. Actually po, since na-award na nga po sa COMNET and nagkaroon ng deed of assignment, ang COMNET at saka ang Adventureland, nagkaroon din po ng amended contract list between the municipality of Bawan and the Adventureland. So yung pong kontrata ng previously is na-amend na rin po between the two parties.
Tama po, April 2024 na, no? Kanina, sabi mo, 2024?
Ang deed of assignment po ay February 12, 2014. Ang findings po ay 2017. Ang amendment po ay 2021, May 2021.
So when was the exact date doon na nag-assume na ng operation yung ano?
Bali, February 12, 2014 po, nag-assume na ang Adventureland.
2014, nag-assume na?
Yes po, Your Honor. Based on these documents.
Pero gumawa kayo ng amended contract,
Yes, Your Honor.
2021.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your report, COA, doon po sa 2014, doon sa findings sa COA, nag-appear na ba yung ano, yung bagong company? Ano ngayon? Adventureland?
Yes po, Adventureland.
Sa findings nyo?
No, Your Honor, because based on the amended contract of lease, the contract was dated May 26, 2021. Now, this came from the municipality of Bawan. They submitted to FAO
O in short,
on
in short,
2025.
Ma'am, in short, nag-audit kayo, iba na yung nag-operate, pero yung report nila, nandun pa rin sa COMNET. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor, because the report was prepared in 2017.
O, di ano yan? Anong violation nila dyan?
There was a violation, Your Honor, of course. At that time, the violation is on, there are 5 findings actually, and I just read the first finding, but there are violations. For example, the bid price, the rent was undervalued.
Sorry po. Kasi pong original lease contract is between COMNET and
Municipality of
Bawan.
Yes.
Now, 2014, no? Sinasabi may deed of assignment. Di ba? 2014 daw. Can you produce that document, SP Secretary, all the documents you mentioned? Kasi, ma'am, 2014 po may deed of assignment daw. Now, nag-operate yung COMNET, yung Adventureland, pero yung sakop ng yung audit nyo is with COMNET
2017.
and the municipality of Bawan.
For additional information, Your Honor, we have not received any deed of assignment dated 2014.
Oh, when was, ma'am, when did you know na yung from
There was a
COMNET to
deed.
Adventureland na?
That there was a deed of assignment, Your Honor?
Yes.
When they submitted the documents to Fraud Audit Office on January
14,
27, 2025, Your Honor.
Oh, SP Secretary, 2014, may deed of assignment. Pero yung COA, nag-submit lang kayo na Adventureland na 2025 na, January 27. O di, anong tawag doon?
Your Honor, permission to speak.
Oh, please, identify yourself.
Ako po yung back chairman ng 2013. Ako po yung nagpatuloy ng bidding process nung naumpisa ng 2012. Dito po, meron akong document na nagpapatunay na kami po ay may transmittal ng tungkol po doon sa deed of assignment. Ito po ay appeal memorandum. Nandito po yung tungkol sa deed of assignment. Attached po yung
Appeal memorandum addressed to what?
COA Fraud Audit.
COA Fraud Audit.
Opo, nandito po yung...
Sabi po. Okay, you have a copy of that. Please submit to the security.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second, so you have a document that indeed COA received that document. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now, ang next question. May kopya ba kayo? May kopya ba kayo that COA answers that appeal memorandum? Did
Yes,
COA
Your Honor.
accept
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
memorandum?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong date ng sagot ng COA doon sa appeal memorandum?
Sagot po, I mean to say, naintindihan ko po, ang alam ko yung receiving copy, na nandito po yung...
Okay na yan. Yung kopya nyo na pinadala sa Tagalogin natin, na pinadala sa COA, sabi mo nga, may receive copy kayo. Tama? O, submit to this committee, ha?
Yes,
Comsec. Now, second question. Do you have also a copy of the answer of COA appeal memorandum?
Wala po, Your
Wala.
Honor.
So, wala.
Wala po, Your Honor.
So, nagpadala kayo ng report nyo to cure the fraud audit findings January 27, 2025, tama?
No, Your Honor. Ito po ay 2018 nung ipadala namin. Yung appeal memorandum.
Hindi nga, sinasabi ko nga, yung sagot nyo, yung pag-cure nyo, nalaman lang ng COA, January 2025 na. Dahil nagpadala kayo ng sagot nyo dun sa COA. But prior to that years, wala. Tama?
Your Honor, ito po ang appeal na to na padala namin ng 2018, nandito po yung deed of assignment na mention.
Oo nga, pero sinasabi ko kasi, ongoing yung fraud audit, di ba? Tama, ma'am?
Okay po, Your Honor.
In the year 2018, Your Honor, tapos na po yung fraud audit report.
Oh, tapos na pala yung fraud audit.
So,
After that, we issued a notice of disallowance received on July 27, after which they filed an appeal.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Chairman ako. Ma'am, kindly turn off the microphone. Do you want to, before I recognize Chairman ako? May gusto ko bang sabihin, ma'am?
yes, Your Honor. As additional information, Your Honor, maybe that 2018 was in compliance with the notice of charge which the fraud audit team issued dated March 18, 2017, and which was received by the municipality of Bawan on June 27, 2017. So yun po ang yung compliance siguro yon. And in addition, sa fraud audit report, it was clearly stated in number 5, page 3, that no written notice of formal assignment of lease of rights made by COMNET nor confirmation thereof by the municipality of Bawan was submitted to the fraud audit team. Now, this fraud audit report is dated 2017, Your Honor.
Oh, tama. So, 2017, yung fraud audit report, yung sinasabi mong appeal memorandum, attach yung deed of assignment, 2018 na. Tama? Okay. But ma'am, but do you confirm that 2018 nakatanggap po kayo ng ng appeal memorandum at saka yung deed, copy of the deed of assignment?
Appeal memorandum. Okay. Based on the information provided by the legal officer of Fraud Audit Office, they received the appeal memorandum on January 19, 2018, Your Honor.
So confirm, but after the fraud audit na?
Yes, Your Honor, after
Okay.
the fraud audit.
So tama yun, Sir Bak? Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, tapos January 27, 2025, ito na yung pinaka-latest.
Yes, Your Honor. And these documents need to be validated by the audit team. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, mamaya, punta natin yung yung steps undertaken by COA. Okay, kasi ang tagal 2014, now 2025, January, that's 11 years. Now, from the fraud audit, 2017, 2025, that's 8 years. Ang haba, matagal na. Pag-usapan natin mamaya. Yes.
Mr. Chair, COA, you mentioned about the compliance with the notice of charge. I think that's the reason why they have amended or they issue they released the deed of assignment ba yun? In compliance with the notice of charge. What prompted COA to issue the notice of charge?
The notice of charge was issued based on the findings in the fraud audit report. The notice of charge deals mainly on the amount indicated in the notice of charge is the difference or the undervalue in the rental fees of the municipality charged to the COMNET.
Okay.
So in the total amount of
Is it correct, Mr. Chair, because COA, is it correct that the initial
14 million.
lease agreement, the rate for the rent is 300 per square meter, niyo ba? Is this also connected with the lease agreement, which is undervalued at around 300 per square meter?
Yes, Your Honor. The
Okay,
total
so-
amount of the notice of charge was 14,704,320.
So during the time that COMNET and the municipality of Bawan entered into an agreement, they were paying for 300 per square meters. That's correct.
Yes, Your Honor. 300 per square meter per...
Yes.
No, Your Honor. 320 per square meter per year.
Yes.
Per year.
So this is well below the fair lease rate that should have been at least 2016 per square meter. Is it correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that the time that they have started paying the 320 per square meter, it was COMNET who was paying.
It was COMNET, Your Honor.
Okay, so when you release the fraud audit, para klaro po, when you release the fraud audit with all this assessment and with all of these observations, the issuance of the deed of assignment was transferred from COMNET to Adventure Land.
Yes, Your Honor.
And part of the fraud audit that you have issued is the notice of charge, meaning they have to pay, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay.
for the undervalued
Okay,
price.
SB, did you pay for the undervalue? Not the COMNET anymore?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that is-
We paid on June 20, they paid on June 10, 2021.
So
Those
that is-
undervalued amount.
That is in fact complying with the fraud audit. Would that be correct? You are admitting that there was indeed a undervalue payment of COMNET, and since you have already under the observation of COA, the fraud audit, there was a violation of sort, then that's the time you have issued the deed of assignment in order to pay for the remaining balance of 17,487,000 as payment. Would that be correct?
Kasi po yung deed
Hindi,
of
would that be
assignment.
correct? Tama po ba? Yung
Hindi po,
pagkaintindi ko po?
kasi 2014 pa po yung deed of assignment.
Hindi, ang sabi nga nila,
Ang findings po nila ay 2017.
ang sabi nga nila, it was only issued after the fraud audit. You could have at least informed COA that there was already a deed of assignment in 2014. Why did you allow COA to conduct a fraud audit for all these years? Are you telling us that alam nyo na nag-fraud audit at yet hindi nyo binigay ang COA ng deed of assignment? Is that what you're telling us?
Yung pong pangyayari, hindi ko po yun kuwan. Pero before the audit, there is already
I know
deed of
you said
assignment.
that 2014 you have already issued the deed of assignment, and yet they have already conducted the fraud audit for how many years, Madam COA? Have you, before you have resolved, before you have issued the fraud audit report, how many years have you conducted that?
We conducted the fraud audit,
Yes.
Your Honor. At 2014, Your Honor.
Oh, see?
2014.
And then what year did you what year did you issue the fraud audit report?
2017, Your Honor.
Oh, see, so it took you to 3 years, and that you never informed COA that there was already a deed of assignment?
Actually, siguro, hindi ko pala alam sa COA. Kasi lahat ng documents po ay sinubmit namin sa COA.
No, hindi nga nila ayaw nga nila wala nga silang document na it was only, they were only informed. Ma'am, were you informed just recently? Yes, sir. Okay, see. What date did you receive the document that saying that in 2014 there was already a deed of assignment?
January 27, 2025, Your Honor.
So just recently, are you telling me from all those years you have never bothered to even inform COA that there was already a deed of assignment?
We will
Is that
check
what you're
the
telling this
documents, sir.
committee? Is that what you're telling this committee?
No, no, Your Honor. We will check the documents because maybe nakaligtan lang po yung documents ni COA or titingnan po natin yung records.
Hindi po, ganito po. Kahit anong pa ba, kahit 2018 pa po, 2014 kasi yung fraud audit, di ba? 2018 na kayo nagpadala ng deed of assignment. Kanina sabi ng back mo. Sabi na natin na na-receive, duly received by COA, but that is 2018. Di ba? Pero yung deed of assignment, sinasabi nyo, 2014. Hindi pa ako sigurado, baka inantidate nyo lang. Why it take you 4 years? Di ba? Why it take you 4 years to have an appeal memorandum and a deed of assignment submitted to COA? Sinasabi nyo, 2014 pa. Di ba?
Pero nag-base lang po yung aking knowledge based on my documents.
Hindi na, yung back, do you confirm? Yung back, di ba, do you confirm? You're under oath. Do you confirm? That, you made an appeal memorandum and the deed of assignment submitted to COA 2018. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Yun yung sinasabi ko, Special Secretary, kinonfirm na lang back. It takes you 4 years to inform COA na may deed of assignment na. Why? Why? Since the fraud audit was already conducted, 2014 pa. Ano ko nga dyan, baka inantidate nyo. And that's falsification.
Since ako po sa SB, hindi ko po alam yung sa executive na naging action.
Hindi nga, ang sinasabi ko lang, on record that was confirmed by your back, that was 2018, the deed of assignment was submitted to COA, but the fraud audit happens 2014. And the deed of assignment dated 2014. It takes you 4 years para i-submit yun sa COA.
Kaya nga po titingnan sa record. Kasi baka
Hindi
po
nga
namin alam.
ito, SP, huwag kang palusot. Pinapasabit ko nga kay Back dito yung dokumento. Kasi coming from his mouth, that it was 2018. The date that was received by COA. 4 years after. Di ba? COA. Tama? Back, tama? Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Kaya lang, baka nun lang namin na-discover na hindi nakasubmit nung padalhan kami ng fraud audit team na.
Hindi palusot daw. Sabihin pa natin, is it correct? Is it correct and proper? And that will be a reason?
Sorry po, Your Honor, baka hindi lang agad
At the very least, question of due diligence. Ours is, ginawa nyo na lang para i-cure.
No, sir.
It takes you 4 years. Tapos ongoing ng, fraud audit. Anyway, ma'am, hindi pa tayo tapos, ma'am, balikan ko lang muna since we have now the quorum in the Zoom. Balikan ko lang po yung some admin matters po.